So you have the Zinus bamboo wooden bed frame. I'm going to go through all the frequently asked questions I was seeing, which was what tools do you need to put this together? Does this work best with like a 10-inch mattress, a 12-inch mattress, or a box spring? I'll actually measure it from the platform all the way to the top of the headboard so you can make a better decision on what's going to work best for you. The third question is, does it make a lot of noise when you're moving around on it? So I'll do a noise test for you. And then the fourth question was, what kind of storage space do you get underneath it? So I answer that. So hopefully help you out with your purchase, but we'll get into the questions. The first question was, what tools do you need to build this? So they give you all the tools that you need. You get a ratchet and an Allen wrench. As you can see, I didn't even use the ratchet. All I needed was an Allen wrench. And it took me about an hour to put together. I did it by myself. If you have somebody helping you, you can easily get this done in under an hour. It was very simple to put together. And now for the second question. Does this work best with a 10-inch mattress or a box spring or both? So let's measure it and you can see. Okay, so answer that second question. Yes, you can use a box spring with it, or you can use just a mattress. Really, it comes down to how much of this wooden backsplash do you want to cover up. So when we're measuring it from the top of the platform to that first wooden headboard piece is going to be 10 inches. So if you have a 10-inch mattress, it's going to be sitting about right here. If you have a 12-inch mattress, that's going to start off right at that second wooden headboard piece. And then with the box spring, you'll probably be more up towards the top. So from the platform, top of the platform, all the way to the top of the baseboard is 26 inches. So it will really work with whatever you want. It's just up to you how much of this wooden headboard pieces do you want to cover up with your box spring or your mattresses. So now for the third question, what is the noise like? This bed frame is super quiet. So the bed frame and the headboard are actually connected together. So they're not like two separate pieces. In the past, I've had like a headboard that I've attached to a bed frame, and then they're constantly like knocking together. So that doesn't happen with this one. It makes no noise at all when you're moving it or moving around on it. And the second thing is throughout the whole middle piece where all the slats are, there's foam right here. So hopefully you can see that. So that's going to keep everything quiet when you're moving around at night. There's not going to be like any metal knocking together. And now for the final question was, what is the storage space underneath? So let's measure it out. And hopefully you can see that, but it's right at about 8 inches in terms of storage space underneath. And it's the same on the front too. So you get 8 inches of clearance and you can store throughout the whole bed frame. But overall, this was really simple to put together. I wanted a bed frame that had a headboard on it. So this gave me that. It was an affordable price. So overall, I'm a happy customer. 2 thumbs up.